simplifying ratios. Now, if you know how to simplify fractions, you can simplify some ratios easily, okay? Because they both are the same. Both are looking for highest common factor, and then we just divide by both term by the highest common factor. Let's go on this example. Now, see, simplifying 18 to 12. So the thing is, you need to look for highest common factor. So if you're not sure, okay, if you cannot remember what is the highest common factors, I'll just do one for you. So let's say 18 first. You list the factor of 18. See, 18 is 1 and 18, okay, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. There you go. 2 is a factor of 12 as well, and 18, so 6 is also factor for both. So 6 is the highest common factor. That's what we call, okay? So please keep that in mind for me. Now, because the highest common factor is 6, okay, I divide both by 6. I divide by 6. I divide this by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that's your answer, okay? Now, again, if you cannot find the highest common factor in some cases, so what you can do is just keep on dividing and reduce until you cannot reduce any further. All right? Let's move this one here. 9 and 15. Okay, so the factor is 3. Okay, because 3 go to 15 and 3 go to 9. So I both divide by 3. There you go, divide by 3. So which is, divide by 3, give me 3. 15 divided by 3, it give me 5. Okay, that's the answer. Now, this one here, 12 and 18. Now, let's say I don't know how to find the highest common factor. Let's say, for examples. But you know that they're both even. Okay, you get another option. So you can divide everything by 2. Even number, right? You half the 12, it give me 6. Half of 18 is 9. Then because 6 and 9 both are multiple of 3. So you divide by 3, give me 2. Divide by 3, give me 3. So your answer is 2 to 3. Okay? So, but easier if you can find the highest common factor, you do one step, you get the answer. Otherwise, you keep on do multiple steps to get the answer. Okay? Of course, if you still can't do it, I'll show you how to use calculator to work it out as well, just in case for you don't know your timetable for some reason, so you calculate as well. Let me clear this first. Okay, let's say 18 to 12, right? I mean 12 to 18. So what I do is, remember, ratio is just fractions. So I just write 12, okay, over 18. See? There you go. 2 to 3. Okay, 2 over 3 is 2 to 3. Okay, so that's how it works. See, 2 to 3. So keep that in mind for me. I can bring it up again so I can show you. There you go. Okay, 2 over 3 is fractions, so the ratio is 2 to 3. There you go. All right, next one. There you go. 300 to 180. So first thing, the best way to do, I divide both by 10 first. See, cancel out the 0 by divide by 10. So 30 and 18. So if you're not sure, okay, what it is, you can half and make until you cannot simplify any further. But in this case, what I do, okay, I can both divide by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. See, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 5 to 3. Again, I'll show you, you can use calculator, of course. Let me clear the screen first. I write 300. Okay, let's say, because remember, ratio is the same as fractions. Ratio is just divide. Okay, this time, let's say I try to divide, see what happened. Okay, instead of writing fractions, so divide by 180. Okay, so equal. See, the answer give me decimal point. Okay, so because I want it right in ratio, what I do, I just press SD or Shift SD. So just one of these buttons. See, SD button. I press that button. I get convert back SD again. So give me 5 to 3. All right. Some cases, I don't know what mode are you on your calculator. If you sometimes your calculator display like that, it says mixed numeral. So you want ratio, you go in proper fractions. So you might have to press SD or SD again. Okay, so 5 to 3. Very simple. So please keep that in mind. All right, let's move on next one. See what we have here. Okay, so now decimal. Okay, 1.5 to 3.5. Now the way to go about this, okay, is we time everything by 10 first. Okay, so which is get rid of decimal first. So times 10 is 15 into 35. There you go. Okay, and then both are divisible by 5. So I divide by 5. That gives me 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, 35 divided by 5 is 7. There you go. Is that okay? Very simple. Get rid of fractions. Get rid of decimal by time 10 first, because it's both are 10. Okay, so we time by 10. So give me a whole number. I divide by 5. Again, I show you to use calculator as well. Let me clear the screen first. Okay, so 1.5. See 1.5 divided by 3.5. Okay, calculator of course doesn't know what's happening. Okay, so I press SD because I want in fraction form. Okay, 737. Okay, so that means 3 to 7. There you go. See, very simple. Okay, there's a backup. If you don't know how to simplify, you can always use calculator as well. But always good to know how to do it. Okay, rather than using calculator. I tell you the next slide, and you won't able to use calculator. So ultimately, you still have to know your multiplication and divisions in order to do all these simplifying. Okay, look at this. This one here, a mixed numeral and a whole number. Okay, 2 and 2/5 to 3. Now, the way to go about this is, first of all, you must convert mixed numeral to fractions. Okay, improper fractions, if you like. So, which is, I convert this first, 2 and 2/5 to improper. So you got 2 times 5 is 2. Okay, so these 2 here, times by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Add 2 is 12. So 12 to 5. See, divided by 3. Okay, or, of course, I write ratio. I'm not going to divide yet. I write ratio first. Okay, then what I do, both, okay, I time everything by 5. So this time 12, 5 times 5 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. There you go. You get that. Okay? And then what I do next is I divide both by 3 because it's multiple of 3. So which is divide by 3, it gives me 4. Divide by 3, give me 5. So 4 to 5. Okay? Or I use calculator. So I show you just in case. Okay? You need the calculator to help you. So let me clear the function. So 2 and 2/5, right? So I go fraction first, shift, fraction again, 2 and 2/5. See, there you go. I go down. Okay, press the arrow down, 5th, and then go down further, 2, 3. See, so like that. Equal, see, 4/5. That means fractions, right? So we write in ratio form, so 4 to 5. Very simple, right? Okay, here we go. Next one. Same rule apply, you see. So now have a look at this. 6 to 2 and 2/3. So first of all, we have to convert 2 and 2/3, okay, to improper fraction first. So I write here first. So this is 6. Okay, 6 to, okay, 2 and 2/3 is, which is convert to improper first. So which is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. Add another 2, which is 8, so 8 to 3. Okay, so now I want to get rid of the bottom, which is 3. I times both term by 3, so 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, 8 over 3 times 3, you cancel out. Okay, so let's say times 3, that cancel out. So leave it 8. Of course, I can divide by 2, correct? So I simplify by half, give me 9. Half of 8 is 4. See, there you go. Again, I'll show you how to check with the answer as well using calculator, so you know how to use your calculator as well. So let me clear the screen. So 6, okay, I don't write fraction, I can just put divide. Okay, I can do any way I like. Remember, ratio is divide, ratio is fractions, you know. So I just do this. I press shift. Okay, with mixed numeral button first. So I go 2 and 2/3. Okay, equal. See, 9 over 4. That means 9 to 4. For some reason, if your calculator give you decimal point, okay, you press the SD button. Okay, so SD again, see? And sometimes some of your calculator might be displayed like that, depend what mode you in. So if in that case, you just press SD and SD again. Okay, thank you. Okay, so make sure you get that. Okay, let's go next one. Let's say next one here. Okay, so this one here. So this one here, okay, of course, okay, you can do this by make the bottom the same. The numerator, you don't worry about it. You make the denominator the same, which is the bottom, the same number. We call lowest common denominator, right? So to do this, the bottom 6 and 4, the common multiple, the lowest common multiple is 12, correct? Because 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12. So the bottom here is 12 here. So from here to here, of course, I times by 3. So top one times by 3. So give me 9. There you go. It's 2, 5 to, let's say 12 here. See, from 6 to 12, I double. So this must double as well. So give me 10. There you go. Okay, so I just clear this first. So this means that, okay, 10, the bottom the same. So I can just times both by 12. So cancel out. So the answer is 9, 2, 12. Thank you so much for watching my videos.